Hey everybody, just a little quick video showing you the process of how to seal a Ducati gas tank that's kind of been leaking. Uh, I know the 99 750s, they have a horrible spot welds. You're not supposed to break or lift the tank if you have more than a gallon of gas on it. There's an actual warning label on there. But if you do so, uh, you break a spot weld, gas tank leaks. That's what's happened to me. So first of all, I'm going to switch the camera around here so you can see. First of all, what you got to do is take the very top of the tank off, your gas filler spout and all that, which is already laying over here. As you can see, everything's there. All that you have to do is remove the bolts out of the very top, what you see here, and then there's little set screws all the way around the circumference of it, and you just back them out and then it will pop out. Also, then once you get there, get that situated, you've got access to the inside of the tank where the clamps are. That is where your fuel pump is. If I can find, oh, it's right over here. There's your fuel pump assembly, just unplug it and it comes out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm using gas tank sealant, amazing product, got it from Aircraft Spruce. In Hamilton, Ontario, I got it shipped up here. It's $50 for the quart. It was $50 for shipping, but because it's hazardous goods, you can get it in the States wherever. So the next step that I'm going to be doing is actually mixing the stuff up, which they say to do. Obviously, you got to mix it up to a white consistency, then pour it in the tank, slosh the tank around, and hopefully, you know, it seals. If it doesn't, I'm going to be a little bit perturbed, but I'm really confident about this stuff. So once I get to that step, I'll upload another video and you can see exactly. Hopefully it's pristine. Okay? Cheers, folks.